Introduction to Document Approval Workflows in Confluence.
Efficient document approval is essential to smooth team collaboration. Confluence, a popular team workspace, enables users to create, share, and approve documents with ease. Automating the approval process saves time, reduces errors, and ensures all stakeholders are involved. This guide will walk you through setting up and automating a seamless document approval workflow in Confluence.
Preparing your Confluence space.
Before automating, ensure your Confluence space is organized. Confirm that you have permission to create and edit pages. Consider setting up dedicated sections or templates for documents needing approval. Also, clearly identify the team members who should take part in each approval process, as well as any page restrictions required for document confidentiality.
Installing approval workflow add-ons.
Confluence's core features can be expanded with add-ons. To automate approvals, explore apps like Kamala Document Management or Approvals for Confluence, available from the Atlassian Marketplace. Install your chosen add-on following the installation instructions. These tools provide ready-to-use workflow templates, notifications, and approval requests tailored for collaborative teams.
Creating and customizing an approval workflow.
With your add-on installed, navigate to the document or template needing approval. Add a workflow by selecting your app's options, then choose or customize a workflow template. Define key steps, such as draft, review, approval, and published. Assign approvers and specify any automated transitions, such as moving to the next step after approval or sending notifications to key users.
Automating notifications and reminders.
Automation isn't just about approvals. It also means staying informed. Use your workflow app's notification features to automatically alert approvers when their input is needed. Set up reminders for pending reviews or overdue approvals, ensuring nothing gets missed. This keeps everyone on track and the approval process moving smoothly.
Monitoring, reporting, and improving workflows.
Once your workflow is live, regularly monitor its progress. Many add-ons offer reporting dashboards, audit trails, and analytics to track approval status and bottlenecks. Use this information to refine your processes, reassign approvers as team roles evolve, and update workflow steps for new business needs, keeping your Confluence approval process efficient and effective.